Hello! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to add and remove the Google account on this watch. To add the account, we need to open the Galaxy Wearable application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the app you should see the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro device page. Now scroll down, find the watch settings option and tap on it. Here scroll down, find the option called Accounts and Backup and tap on it. And then you should see the option called Google Account. Select it and here tap on Add Google Account. You should get redirected to this page, and if you have any Google accounts added to your phone, like I have one here, you can select it and tap on Continue and then log in with that account. You can also tap on Choose Other Account and select different accounts. I'm gonna select different accounts, so I'm gonna use this one, but if you don't have any account, you will basically see the login page and you will see you will need to log in. But I already have accounts on my phone, so I'm gonna tap on Choose Another Account, select the account I want to use, and it will redirect us to the login page. So let's wait. And as you can see, we need to enter the password to log in. So I'm gonna type in the password. And then we can tap on Next to log in. And once you log in, the account will be added, as you can see. You can also check it on the watch. You can open the settings, scroll down, find the accounts and backup, and you should see the Google account right here. Okay. And to remove the account, we need to do it directly on the watch because you can't do it right here through the app. So it's kind of weird. You can add the accounts through the app, but you can't add them on the watch, and you can remove the accounts only from the watch and you can do it on the app. Quite weird thing, but that's how it works. So to remove the account from your watch, simply wake up the screen on it by pressing the home button, then swipe up on the screen to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the account and backups option or accounts and backup, then tap on the Google account, and here you should see the accounts on the list. If you want to remove the account, tap on it, tap on Remove Account, tap on the check mark, and the account will be removed. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you add and remove the Google account on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.